Here's my secret to rejuvenate and refresh my skin. Let's make Simply Earth's delightful fresh snow roll-on recipe. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and today we're mixing up a refreshing roll-on packed with uplifting ingredients that benefit your skin. They're moisturizing and soothing, and all the while they boost your mood with its uplifting aroma. Before we dive into this recipe, I just want you to know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it easy to make natural DIY products. That's why when you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients you need for this recipe delivered right to your door. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box. You can grab all the ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. And let's be real, some aromatic roll-ons can be a total headache, and they're packed with yucky chemicals you don't want to use on your skin. With this recipe, you can feel good about the roll-on that you're using. So turn off all distractions because making is healing. So join me on this fun journey as we create our fabulous fresh snow roll-on and treat your skin and mood to the TLC they deserve. So from your box, you're gonna need 2 drops of fir needle essential oil. This helps with emotional balance. 2 drops of Sweet Dreams essential oil, which helps promote rest. 2 drops blood orange essential oil, and this helps promote youthful skin. 10 ml fractionated coconut oil. This will leave your skin moisturized and smooth without feeling greasy. And a 10 ml roll-on bottle. So let's get started. First, remove the roller bottle cap from the roll-on bottle. Add essential oils to the roll-on bottle. Swirl to mix. Fill the bottle the rest of the way with coconut oil. Replace the cap and shake to mix. Don't forget to label it. Let's test it out. Apply it to pulse points. Breathe in that refreshing scent and let the soothing vibes take you to relaxation paradise. I love how soothing it is on my skin, plus I'm getting an instant mood boost. If I can whip up this awesome fresh snow roll-on, trust me, you totally can nail it too. For natural DIY products made easy, subscribe to Simply Earth Recipe Box. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our social media pages. If you liked this video, be sure to check out these videos for more natural DIY recipes you'll see on the screen right after this. Thank you for watching.
It's like the